Nick woke up smiling in the morning light, ready for adventure, feeling super bright. He grabbed his boots and opened the shed. Colorful machines, time to roll, he said. First came Red Rover, shiny and loud, a cherry red tractor that made Nick proud. Vroom, vroom, it rolled, get a happy cheer. Red Rover said, Nick, I'm ready right here. Nick hopped on and they zoomed down the lane, sprinkling giggles like rainbow rain. They plowed through flowers tall and sweet. Red Rover's wheels tapped a bouncy beat. Nick's rolled blue zoomer, sleek and fast, a sky blue digger built to last. Dig, 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 zoomer danced around, scooping soft dirt from the sunny ground. Nick laughed, let's build a castle tall. Blue zoomer worked without a stall. They shaped the towers wide and grand, a sandy kingdom across the land. Then yellow whirling spun in place, a spinning crane with a smiley face. Swish, swish, swoosh, it twirled so high, lifting blocks toward the sky. They clapped loudly, that's perfect whirl. Lift up the flag for every boy and girl. Up it went the flag of fun, waving bright beneath the sun. Then came Green Groover bouncing near, a grass green mixer who loved to cheer. Slosh, slosh, spinning mixed with joy, helping Nick build roads for every girl and boy. Together they paved a winding track, twisting forward, curling back. Nick shouted, machines, this road is new. Groover beamed, all thanks to you. Then Purple Puffer puffed along, a bubbly machine that hummed the song. Poof, poof, pop with puffs of air, sending bubbles everywhere. Nick chased the bubbles across the yard, giggling loudly, running hard. The bubbles shimmered soft and bright, painting the world in glowing light. Suddenly all the machines lined up, forming a circle like a rainbow cup. Nick stood inside as they whirred and swayed, a magical, colorful machine parade. Red Rover stomped, boom, 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 boom. Blue Zoomer danced with joyful zoom. Yellow Whirly swung left and right. Green Groover hummed with delight. Purple Puffer filled the air with floating purbills everywhere. Nick shouted, laughing, this is the best. Colorful machines, you beat all the rest. The machines replied, Nick, hooray for you. You make the world bright, fun and new. They marched and sang through fields so wide, Nick leading proudly by their side. They fixed up playgrounds, cleaned the park,
and work together
glowing
to fix it.
colors from
Blue
dawn
Zoomer digs safely.
till dark.
Groover smooths the
Children gather from far and near, shouting, the colorful machines are here. Nick waved happily, let's play today, and all the machines cheered, hip, hip, hooray. As stars came out and dreams grew deep, Nick told the machines it's time for sleep. They settled down with gentle gleams, while Nick whispered goodnight, my colorful dreams. In the moonlight, soft and bright, Nick watched each one with pure delight, and